A very good morning, students. Our session of corporate finance. Now, as far as our previous session was concerned, in that we have seen the benefits of inventory management. So, now today we'll start with the objectives of inventory management. Here we are going to see that with the help of inventory management, how the organization is able to achieve their goals in the working capital management. So, under that, the first objective is to ensure adequate stock. Yes, with the inventory management, a company gives surety to itself about a proper stock in the organization. Because if the inventory management is applied in a proper manner, then company is not facing the situation of scarcity of stocks, or when the company is having excess of the stock. With a proper inventory management, a company is carrying adequate stock for the production purpose and for the selling purpose. Now, with the help of inventory management, company comes to know about the basic requirement for raw material in the particular period of time. So, the company can fulfill the demand of their product properly in the market with adequate stock. So, through inventory management, company enjoys a proper quantity of stock with it. Then after, second one, that is to minimize inventories on hand. Yes, if the company is having maximum inventory with them, then there is a one kind of blockage. A blockage is there. Because if the management is not proper, then company is not able, or they are not sure about overall stock requirement for the production purpose. So, when the inventories are not on hand, means they are in the production process, or they are in the market for the selling purpose. So, definitely with a proper management, the inventory is in use for the production purpose. So, there are minimum chances of wastage of inventory, or wastage, or we can say that the blockage of the money can be easily removed with the inventory management. Then after, the third point, that is to maintain continuity in production. Yes, if the inventory management is done in a proper manner, then company is able to produce in the continuous manner, because there will be no scarcity of raw material in the organization. Company knows that what is the actual requirement of inventory, or what is the actual requirement of raw material for the particular period of time. So on the basis of that, the company place an order for purchasing of raw material, and when a sufficient raw material is with the organization, the company can make product without any intervals. Then after, next point is minimize the cost of purchasing and storage. Yes, if the basic requirement is known to the management, then definitely they are going to purchase inventory as per the requirement. And if the requirement is going to be fulfilled, then organization is not going to carry any type of additional cost, that is the cost of storage and the additional cost of purchase, because with the help of inventory management, the company is purchasing inventory as per the requirement only. So slowly and gradually, company is able to control its production cost, and once the production cost is controlled, then definitely company is able to reduce its overall cost. The next point, the next objective is to minimize the wastage and loss. Yes, with the proper management, the company is going to purchase the required raw material only. And when the raw material is as per the requirement, there are less chances of wastage and a minimum chances of loss. Because if the inventory is as per the requirement, if excess inventory is there in the organization, then definitely the chances of wastage will be maximized. As we already know that if we have excess of anything, then definitely the misuse of that particular thing will be there. But if the particular thing is as per the requirement only, then definitely we use the particular item with a proper care. Then after, next objective, that is to reduce the risk of deteriorations. Here the value of the inventory will not be deteriorate, because we are not going to make a bulk purchase of the inventory at a single time. The company is purchasing inventory, raw material as per the requirement only and as per the market demand. So, if the bulk purchase or excess purchase of the raw material is there, then there are full chance that the value of the particular inventory will be deteriorate. Then after, the next point is effective use of available capital. Now here, organization is having an effective and efficient use of available capital. Capital is going to be used as per the requirement for the purchase of raw material, for the installations of different machines. The capital is used in the production process and it is used in the dispatching the final inventory. So when the capital is used as per the requirement, then definitely the misuse of capital will be minimized. Or in another sense, we can see that the company is not using the inventory as a blockage of the capital, because if the bulk purchase is there, if company is purchasing in a bulk, then definitely there is a blockage of capital. If company is producing at a higher level, but the basic demand is not there in the market, then definitely again there is a blockage of company's capital. So, with the help of inventory management, there is an effective and efficient use of available capital of the organization. The next objective is to be helpful in efficient purchasing. Yes, if each and everything is as per the management, then definitely the company purchase raw material as per the requirement only. So, no excess purchase or no shortfall of purchase will be there. If the excess purchase of raw material is there, then that excess raw material will convert it into blockage of the capital. And if the shortfall of purchase is there, company is not purchasing as per the requirement, then definitely there will be a scarcity of raw material for the production purpose. So definitely inventory management helps in efficient purchasing of our raw material. The next objective is to give maximum satisfaction to customer. Yes, it is but obvious that if each and everything is as per the management, if we are purchasing a proper raw material with a proper quantity and with a proper time, then definitely we means as a company we are able to produce in a proper manner. And if the production is there with a proper raw material and within a proper time period, then definitely we are able to serve market as per their requirement or as per their demand. And if demand is going to be fulfilled, then definitely the customers are satisfied with the company's product and with the company's services for providing their demanded product. Then after, the next objective is to minimize loss due to price decline. Yes, if right now we are purchasing our raw material in a bulk quantity, then definitely we'll have a benefit of wholesale discount. But if suppose, imagine one thing, if overall prices of raw material will decline, then definitely the company suffer a heavy loss because the company already purchased the excess of inventory. So, a proper inventory management is required to overcome the loss which the company is going to face due to price reduction of raw material. Then after, next objective is about maximum use of storage capacity. Here, company is using that warehouse in a proper manner, because if company purchase raw material in a proper manner, then definitely the raw material will store in our warehouse. And if the company is producing in a proper manner, then definitely the final product will stored in our warehouse. So there is a maximum utilization of company's warehouse. So company is not going to bear any additional cost for their storage. Then after, next point is about proper storage of material. Yes, with the application of inventory management, the raw materials, the WIP and the finished goods, they are going to be stored in a proper manner. so that the chances of loss, the chances of stealing, and the chances of wastage will be minimized. So company is able to enjoy their total inventory in a proper manner. So that's all about the objectives of inventory management. In the next session, means in the next week, we are going to study the different techniques of inventory management, that how we are going to apply this technique in our organization, that we'll see in the next session.